we are going to sing a song of barking dog. A dog is barking in my head. A dog is barking, what do I make of that? A dog is barking in my head. This dog is furious, this dog is clearly mad. A dog is barking, what does it have to say? A dog is barking, it doesn't go away, because the dog in my head is a part of me. Why, oh why can't I set the dog free? Because to be aggressive isn't cool. The biter is an emotional fool. It's much more clever to seem to be kind, but the dog inside my head has no cunning mind. A dog is barking, let us be friends. A dog is barking, let us mend. There's only one soul without a division. That is me and my dog's mission. Me and my dog are one today. That is what we want to say. Bye-bye. Yeah. And off.